Yes guys, welcome to a brand new video. My name is Conan and today I'm going to be taking you guys through my entire morning routine. So every single morning I wake up at 6 a.m. I go to the washroom, wash my face, brush my teeth. Then I like to make my bed in the morning. This is a crucial part of my morning routine because if I don't make my bed in the morning, it's just a bad start to the day. So always start off your day right by making your bed. I heard this thing where it's like, even if you do have a bad day, at least you get to come home to a bed that is made for you, if that makes sense. So always make your bed in the morning. I don't care who you are, what you do, make your bed in the morning. Then we hop on the scale. I like to weigh myself in the morning, fasted with no water or food in my system. Of course, after going to the washroom too. So this morning we weighed in at 144.2 pounds, which is awesome. Then I take my morning supplements. So the supplements I take are very basic, just an omega-3 fish oil, a daily multivitamin. This basically just serves as a safety net to ensure that I get like all the vitamins I need in case I didn't get them from whole natural foods, some ashwagandha, some zinc, and vitamin D3. After that's done, I chug a big glass of water. Like this is probably like well over a liter just to get water in my system, because obviously after you've slept for about 7 to 9 hours, you most likely did not drink water during that time. So it's crucial for you to rehydrate and drink a bunch of water right after you wake up. Then I like to sit down and journal. In my journal, I like to write down 5 things that I'm grateful for. I do this every single morning just to practice some gratitude, because obviously when you go through your everyday life of work, working out, seeing your friends, being with your family, etc., it can be very easy for you to take things for granted. So I always make sure to dedicate 5 to 10 minutes just to write a couple things down that I'm grateful for. And this could literally be anything. Could be grateful for your bed, could be grateful for your family, for your friends, for the gym, just something. It could be anything. Just make sure you write down 5 to 10 things you're grateful for every single morning. And this is also just a great start to the day because it puts you in such a good mood and it makes you so much more grateful. After that's done, we go downstairs to make a big black cup of coffee. This is like essential in my morning. I need my morning coffee. It just, again, puts me in a really good mood, and most importantly, it actually makes me go to the bathroom, if you know what I mean. And then while the water is boiling, I like to prep my meals as well. So if you guys watched the last video, you know that I like to prep my meals in advance because it allows you to save so much time. I literally just go on my fridge, grab my meals, and that's pretty much it. So I got my chicken and rice, my beef and rice, and then some cream of wheat as well. Put it in a bag, and then it's ready for me to go when I go off to work. Super ideal. And then I don't know if you guys are the same, but I actually have my favorite cup when I drink my coffee. It sounds really weird, but I need to have this specific cup. I don't know what it is, the design, the shape, just something about it that just I need every single morning. So unfortunately it was not in the cabinet, so I had to go to the dishwasher, and luckily it was there nice and clean for me. Then once the water boiled, put the water in the coffee, poured it in my cup. Then went back upstairs to do some studying. Alright, so now that we're semi-awake, this is the time where I like to write on my to-do list. So this is very important to me because it kind of like clarifies my day, and it almost gives my day like a purpose, because if I wake up one day and I have no idea what I'm doing that day, I just kind of like sit around and do nothing. Whereas if I actually know what I have to do, I actually like tend to do the thing that's on my to-do list. So again, it is very important for me to write things down, especially things that I know I have to do this day. So as you guys can see, there's not a lot on the list because I don't want to overwhelm myself with like a list of like 20 different things I have to do. I like to kind of like really be specific and like really make sure that I do those specific things. So again, there's only like 3 things on the board right now, but these 3 things do take quite a bit of time, and I know if I actually do these things properly, that's pretty much all I'll be able to do that day. So yeah, really like think about it. Don't overwhelm yourself with so many things, but then again, don't underwhelm yourself or you'll be done in like 10 minutes. Now, of course, everyone's different when it comes to their productivity level. I know some people that are super creative in the morning, whereas others are super creative at night. For me, I happen to get most of my creative juices in the morning. So I like to get mostly like the most difficult tasks done earlier on in the day, so I don't have to worry about it later on in the day. So right now we're gonna start working on the module 6 from my sociology class. And then later on tonight, we'll do the test. And then throughout the day, I'll film this video. So let's get into it. Alright, I got most work done, not everything unfortunately, but I'm actually running late. Like I'm running really late, and considering that I have to take the bus to the gym, I gotta leave like right now, so let's go.
Oh, hello.
So you already know, if you've been watching my past few YouTube videos or even follow my TikTok or Instagram stories, you know that I have this exact same breakfast literally every single day. It's so weird, I don't know why I do this, but I go through phases where I'll eat the same breakfast consistently every single day for like weeks or even months. So as you guys know, I used to be a big fan of French toast. I used to have it like every single day, and then I just kind of like got bored of it. It was too low in calories, and so now I switch it up to my famous 4 whole eggs with some salt and pepper, and then 1 cup of oatmeal with 100 grams of frozen blueberries. It's just such a simple meal to make, like literally takes very minimal ingredients, but it is so delicious, it is so good, and yeah, that's pretty much why I have it every single day. So yeah, after we ate breakfast today, we went off to work, and usually I like to train in the mornings because I just do, I don't know why, just personal preference. But today, because I had to work a bit earlier today, I could not work in the morning, so I went off to work, had a couple meals there, and then I went to go train in the gym. Alrighty guys, so we just made it to work, as you guys can tell. So I just ate breakfast and I just obviously got to work, as you guys can tell. So yeah, that's basically gonna wrap up my morning routine. I feel like it would be illegal of me to continue filming, considering that it's not gonna be morning anymore. So yeah, that's basically my entire morning routine. As I said, normally I would train in the mornings, but today I just couldn't do it because I had that exam to do. So yeah, this is just like a realistic morning routine. It's not like a typical morning routine, but I did want to make it as realistic as I could. So I'll just overlay some workout footage that I'll do later on today.
Been trying to change what I've been trying to say. Words don't come straight from my head to my mouth. It's such a shame that it fell out of place. Was never me that was bringing you down.
that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to go give this video a thumbs up. I would highly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.